some burnt bait. Come on, let's go cut up a worm. I need a piece. Will you cut it up for me?
I know how to put my own bait on.
You know how to put your own bait on?
Yeah. Remember I put my own bait on?
Well, look, there's already a worm right there. You don't even have to cut him up. He's right over there. See him? You gonna put your own hook on? Own bait? Careful. What do you hold the hook by? Good job. This is a piece of night crawler. That's a pretty big piece. Uh-oh, where'd it go?
You're going to have to cut a new one up.
Alright, pull it out. Cut up a new one. Don't cut your fishing line though. Turn the blade around. Here, I'll help you out. Look. Hold this way, and hey, hold this way, and always hold it away from you, okay? Here, we'll snag one out of here. Where's he at? There he is. Hold him. Hold on. Nope. Don't ever cut it in your hand. Always put it down. Good job. There you go. Good job. All right, I got a piece. You got a piece. Now you got to stick it on your hook.
I got a good piece.
Yeah. Yeah. Remember, you got to hold it by the wire.
Right there.
I got it. There you go. Good job. Remember, keep your fingers out of the way. Then you got to poke it in them. Yeah. There you go. Oh, did you get it in it? Takes a little work. There you go. You got to push down onto it. You got to hold it by the hook. There you go. Get him. There you go. You got him. There you go. Pull it in. There you go. Good job. It's hooked. Good job.